So you guys been asking for it, so I'm here to deliver. Today is going to be a trip to Marshalls / TJ Maxx, TJ Maxx, and maybe even Ross. We're gonna start at Marshalls, then we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, and then if we have time, then we'll go to Ross. You guys love these videos. You guys love seeing what's sitting, what I find, what I don't find, and you're just kind of curious. You know, living in South Florida, we're kind of blessed because our TJ Maxx and Marshalls get a lot of nice stuff. We get North Face, we get designer, we get Nike, we get all the good stuff that you can think of. And I haven't done it in a while. Actually, I probably did it maybe 2 weeks ago, but since I'm posting every single day, it feels like I haven't done it in a while. So I figured, you know what, let's go and do that. Today's fit, I'm rocking a vintage Boss shirt with a camo. On the back is a camo also. Then I am rocking the new pants that we got from Plato's Closet the other day, the split camo joggers, and then Air Force Ones, the daily routine. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys check out, link down below, emcvlogs.com. I'm uploading new items throughout the day as well as throughout tonight. So make sure you guys just check it out. Make sure you guys check the tab up top to press all products. I really appreciate you guys. I do have about 15 packages to ship out. I'm gonna be doing that once I get back from the store, but I figure, you know what? Let's go to Marshalls real quick, see if we can find. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys. Well, first stop today, TJ Maxx. Let's hope we find something good, guys. Seems so empty, like they have just so much space. They used to be like shorts and everything over there. We just found these True Religion shirts, $20. And if you guys want True Religion, I always say come to TJ Maxx. Look, $60 shirt for $20. Has a big True Religion logo. I know a lot of people still mess with True Religion, so I always wanted to show that. And then I even found True Religion sweatpants over here with the matching t-shirt. Sweatpants are only $30, and then the shirt is $20 also. Not bad. They have Versace jeans t-shirt, 60 bucks. And then I actually was gonna film because I saw these Versace denim right here, VJ Versace jeans. 80 bucks. Man, if you guys are around my age, this show used to be the shit. Wow, it's so awesome that they're bringing it back. I wish they would do like double-sided or like crazy print shirts, but still, Ed and Eddie's shirt, you won't be able to find this, especially in a men's XL. You'll probably find it in like a kid's medium or so. What do we have here? A Warden Lotus shirt? Guys, tell me that doesn't look like a Warden Lotus design. From the little tool right there to the guy. That's so funny. Good vibes. I'm telling you, TJ Maxx turned into like a PacSun or Urban Outfitters because all they have is just like retro reprint stuff. Pink Floyd. Just tons, like all of this, like a Betty Bop, Betty Boop, whatever you want to call it. Like it's all reprint retro stuff. Purple Rain, Prince. It like went from designer or whatever to now it's like vintage basically. It's crazy. And then look at these AC/DC hoodies. They're pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. It's AC/DC official merch too. And it's front and back. That's pretty fire, not gonna lie. They did a good job on this one. 1982 tour. Then let's see what other colors they have. Oh, these are just plain ones. What's this? Richie Rich. The Rugrats. Is there a double hit on the Rugrats? No. Just a normal Rugrats print. What's this? Tom? What is this? Looks like Bape. But it's obviously not. It's probably True Religion if I had to guess. Oh, it's Love Moschino, or Love Moschino, however you want to pronounce it. Moschino, Moschino. They want, how much do they want? They want $60. Retail was $80. Let's see if there's an actual price tag on it. Love Moschino, no size or no price, and it's a 2XL. Some more reprint retro, and this actually has like faded wash to it. They even put cracking into the logo. Like they're getting pretty serious with it, but again, it's only single-sided. They really need to do the double-sided if they want to pull off the full vintage, you know, the full vintage look. So let's check the jewelry section. The Gucci, they have a Gucci gold ring, $300. It looks super small though, like won't even probably fit my pinky. Well, the men's jewelry section is looking pretty dry. Doesn't really have much, only that one big Invicta on the back, Emporio Armani, and then just like a bunch of fashion jewelry, sadly. Nothing good. Sadly, I did not get anything at TJ Maxx. I didn't even show you guys, I did look at the Gucci bracelet and ring, but the ring was like a size 4.5, so it was just ridiculously small. And so I had to stop filming because as I was reversing, this car's like trying to inch by and I had to fucking curse her out. So annoying. I hate people down in South Florida. I literally want to buy like a big truck just so I can purposely hit people and run people off the road. I know it's illegal, I know that's super bad, but it's like, people are assholes, and like, if they want to try to cut and squeeze in between cars instead of just waiting 2 minutes so I can back out of the parking space, then I'd rather have like a piece of shit truck and I can just fucking run into them and then just leave. But let's quickly hit up Marshall's and then let's get some food. Actually, Marshall's is right here. Let's pull into Marshall's and see what they got. I guess what we'll do is we'll check the shoes first at Marshall's, see if there's anything good sitting. Alpha Boost. Look at these North Face 700 sandals. It's like basically like the Nupsy up top. I bet these are super comfortable. I've never seen them before. $20 though. It's kind of fire. If only I actually wore sandals nowadays. Now all I do is wear Air Force Ones. Let's see if there's any good thing in clearance. I remember, I used to wear these for days. These Chacos. What are these? Hybrid sneakers. North Face 574s. Nothing good today. At least in the clearance section. Let's check the other side. See Reeboks, some cleats. Hopefully the clothes produce better because the shoes are pretty shitty today. Let's check this section over here. New Balance, Reeboks. All there's is New Balance and Reeboks. Let's go check the clothes, see if there's anything good over there. Got this North Face like Coach jacket. Clearance for $65. Retail was $199. Little North Face hit on the back. If only it was Supreme North Face. Then we saw this RLX, like the foil bottom. 44 retail price was $168. Seems like they have a bunch of Kappa shorts today. So we have these little tie-dye ones with a little embroidered right there. It's like bathing suit with the Kappa. See yellow ones. These are actually pretty fire. I kind of like these for myself. You guys know I fuck with yellow. They're kind of long though. How much are they though? If they're like 10 bucks, I'll grab them. Where's the price tag? They are $25, so that is going to be a pass. Then they have these for $20, the little short ones, the same bathing suit, red, reflective, and blue. Another orange ones. Then looking down here, let's see what colorways they have here. These are pretty sick. Super short though, oh my gosh. Those would like show off everything. We have the blue ones, purple. These are pretty sick too, but these look so big. It's a 3XL, jeez. Sadly, there's no long pants versions of them either, just the shorts. Look at this Tarts hoodie. Tarts branding, and then on the back it has all different kind of Tarts. It's pretty sick. Joshua Tree, National Geographic. It's crazy. All of these is like just vibrant, vintage, bright colors. So when I was actually looking to buy stuff for the new apartment, I was looking at these LED lights and I actually found it, look, on clearance, $6. I think I'm gonna use this one for inside the car. I'm gonna see what it looks like, but it's a 7-foot and then a 16-foot. I'm gonna get the 16-foot for around my bed, and I'll get the 7-foot for like around the TV. I might get 2 of these so that way it's like around my TV, and then I can maybe use one in the car. One in the car might be a little bit kind of like, I don't know, might be a little bit too much, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna at least grab 2 of them, and if anything I can just return them. The big ones are $13. I'm gonna look them up and see actually how much they go for online. But then they have these Wi-Fi ones, and these are 20, but honestly I don't mind having a remote. I don't need a Wi-Fi, you know, lights. Well, I just realized they have a whole section for them, and I found this one. It's Sound Reactive from Brookstone. It's only $10. LED response to movies, songs, and games. So I think this one would be better for the TV, because then once like it reacts, it'll be kind of cool. So I think I'm gonna get this one for the TV. And then I was looking at this one. Look at this. So this one's actually made to go for inside your car. No installation needed. 4 LED bars, 16 colors, remote control. It's $10. I might just get this instead of trying to use that one, because this one's actually made for cars. Got some more True Religion sweatpants right here. The gold foil. Whoa, they're only $13? That's insane. That's so cheap. Oh wow, look at these. Like champion lanyards for your keys. Or maybe it's a belt. I'm not exactly sure. Super unique though. Well, I guess today is just getting new apartment stuff. I actually found this Forbidden Words clearance $6. When people come over, we can play this when we're drinking. And I found a few more games over here. I'm gonna look up like Think Your Text or Be Honest, What's Your Number. They're all $6 it seems like. So it doesn't help. This one's only $4.50. So it's nice to have a little some games to play when people come over. So last time I came to TJ Maxx Marshalls, we found out that Tommy Hilfiger had like these earbuds. Now they're on clearance, yellow tags, $26. Just too expensive. If they're like 15 bucks, I'll definitely take one for the personal. But it looks like I'm getting a bunch of games. So I got 80s and 90s and 2000s music questions. It's only $2. Overrated, Think You Can Text, What's Your Number, and Forbidden Words. So basically I'm just gonna have this like on my coffee table in the game room. When people come over, when you drink, I'll be like, yo, I have some card games, let's pull out some card games. Well, I ended up spending $75 at Marshall's all on new apartment stuff. I ended up getting a bunch of LED light bulbs. I got all those games. I didn't get anything to sell or any clothing, and it was kind of shitty. The clothing was kind of bad. But I am in the outlet mall. I'm gonna walk up to the food court. I don't know if the food court's going on or if they're open or not. I hope they are, because I'm kind of wanting like the mall Chinese food. So let's see if we can get some food. How's it going? Noodles, please. And then half and half. If there's any sauce, maybe you could put it on the noodles. Thank you. So as you guys saw, I ended up getting the chow mein or lo mein, whatever the noodles is called, teriyaki chicken and orange chicken, and then I got teriyaki sauce onto the noodles, pink lemonade to drink because I don't drink sodas. This is the type of shit that you see like in third world country. This woman is balancing a huge trash bag on her head with no hands. Wow, look at that. She's just chilling. She's like, yeah, I got a huge, 20-pound trash bag on my head. No big deal. I'm at a bus stop, but I'm just gonna keep it on my head. Wow. Only in Lauderdale. We're actually passing the swap shop flea market right now. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I found this LED one, so I'm gonna try putting in this one. You can see this is the before. Let's see the after. Well, I'll be honest, it's not bright at all. Like, it's super dim light, but like you could do red, green, blue, purple. And then you can dim it if you want it even softer, but it's not that bright. I'm gonna try it on maybe those up there. See if that does a little bit better, because this is honestly, like, look at the white. That's just, it doesn't light up the room literally at all compared to my other one. I guess it's kind of cool up here. You can do the red, the green. You'll really have to tell once it's not light outside, so I'll try it again for nighttime, but it's kind of cool, and then I can use the switch on here on and off, so I don't have to get up to close the light. So that's one thing that I really like about it. I think what I might do is I actually might put it in here, and that way I have some cool lights inside my bedroom. So I installed them in my room. This is the white one. Got red, green, blue, turquoise, purple, pink, orange. And like I said, you could turn it off and on. Super sick. Best $9 I could have spent, to be honest. Really happy with it. Well guys, I think I'm going to end today's video here. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. Like I said, every purchase does help support these daily videos. And if you don't see something that you saw me thrift or you saw me post on my Instagram and you don't see on my website, send me an Instagram DM at DITR954. I'll definitely put it on the website and make sure you get it. You got first dibs, you get to buy it. And again, give me a few hours. I am going to upload stuff throughout tonight. Probably about till 10 p.m. I'll probably continue uploading new inventory to the website. So I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys did enjoy. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget guys, let's get it.